This is the Kiss Salon Dip Professional Dipping System, acrylic strength. Inside you get a brush on gel, a dip powder, an activator, 2 wands, extra wands, a sponge, a cuticle stick, some tips, which I'm not going to be using these, a dipping tray, a nail file, and some instructions. The instructions say to take the tips and glue them on with a brush on gel, which I assume is just nail glue. Who knows? I just used the brush on gel and my personal nail tips and filed them with the file and pushed back my cuticles. Everything worked great. I'm going to put the dipping powder into the dipping tray. I recommend you don't glue on your nails before you do this because it's a little hard to open. The full dipping powder fits in the dipping tray. Next, we're going to take the brush on gel and paint it onto our nails like nail polish and then immediately dip it in. I brushed it on. Let's see what happens after I dipped it in. You're supposed to tap off the excess. So far, this is what it looks like with one coat. You're supposed to do 2. In between, you're supposed to brush off excess with this little sponge. Now it's time for the second layer, and I have a paper towel here to wipe the brush before I put it back in the bottle. And this is what it looks like with the second layer after brushing it off with a sponge. Now it's time to brush on the activator, avoiding our skin, and then we're going to buff and shape the nails so it's smooth. This is what it looks like after I apply the activator. It really stinks, guys, I'm just warning you. This is after I filed and buffed my nails after the second coat and putting on the activator. Now I have to put the activator on one more time. After the second coat of this really, really stinky activator, guys, I'm telling you, be in a ventilated area. One more coat of brush on gel, and this is what they look like. So overall, I like this kit. These are my nails after the last coat dried of the gel. I feel like I used a lot of gel. So if you want more bang for your buck, I would actually recommend using your own glue to glue on the nails in the first place, because this is kind of hard to work with gluing on nails. It's like nail glue, but it's not as, I guess, sticky. I don't know how to explain it. As far as the rest of the kit goes, this is after putting the unused powder back. This sponge came in really, really handy, as well as the cuticle stick. I use this to take off excess glue or gel around my nails. Although this file comes in handy every single time, I would recommend getting one of these and using this to buff it out because it just takes forever. Overall, I think you can get 2 or 3 applications depending on if you use your own glue first and then use this brush on gel for the process of the brush on gel. Would I buy this again? Yes, I would buy this again. I feel like these nails are very sturdy and they'll last at least 2 weeks. I'm kind of curious to see if it's good to fill your nails with from the salon. That's an interesting concept. This was way easier than traditional acrylic, and although the activator was really stinky, it wasn't as stinky as acrylics usually are. And here is the final result. I've got like a purpley black red hue Deborah Lippmann nail polish on. Thanks for watching.